Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my foot care routine. So this video is probably awkward because it's feet and nobody likes feet, but it's very important to take care of your feet and make them look pretty. So yeah. Here are the things you will need. You will need some type of bin like this. Johnson's baby shampoo, it's lavender, and baby oil. This has no sticker on it or anything, but I promise it's baby oil, and a Mr. Pumice or some type of foot file. So there's many steps that I do in my foot care routine. The first thing that I do is I clip my toenails. And when you are clipping your toenails, you want to make sure that you are clipping them in like a straight line. So like basically don't clip the ends off because you can get an ingrown toenail if you do that. Now I am just filing my toenails with a hard file. My toenails are pretty thick, so that's why I am using a hard file and just going back and forth really quick. If you have like thin toenails, which I don't even know if that's a thing, but if it is, you should probably use like a glass. Now I am filling up the bin with warm water and I am putting in a lot of baby shampoo. I like it nice and bubbly, so yes, I do put a lot. Right here I'm just, splashing the water around. And now I am putting in the baby oil, and that will just soften up the feet. So now I am actually soaking my feet. I soak them for probably about 5 minutes and then I go ahead and start scrubbing them with the Mr. Pumice. And you basically just want to scrub the parts of your feet that are rough and that you want to be soft. Now it's time to get rid of the cuticles because yes, our toenails have cuticles just like our nails. so we don't want them there. So I am using my Sally Hansen cuticle remover to remove them, and I'm just taking this tool to push the cuticles back so that way we can take a cuticle remover to get them out of there. Is the cuticle remover, and I am just scraping the cuticles off. After I am done removing all of my cuticles, I am done. So there she is. So I painted my toenails, and here are what the girls are looking like. They're looking fresh and pretty, all because of my wonderful foot care routine. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.